Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice cactus gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a lovely backup camera. We do get a lovely lift glass as well. Allows you to have easier access to your cargo, which is pretty nice, or you can leave it open for some extra air. We do get roof rails, some nice black trim along this vehicle, blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You have hooks and doodads, hold your gear down, 12 volt. You got lights back here as well, light for your lift gate, which is pretty nice. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior. We got rear vents, USB and USB-C, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate, and lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 70,997 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer right here. With my view, we do get your driving assist, so lane centering, audio, phone, information, trip 1, all that jazz. To my right, we got our gear slick, parking brake, auto hold, goat modes, cup holders, storage with a 12 volt, and some outlets. You got your center console here as well with tons of storage and more outlets. Climate controls right here with heated front seats, little storage cubby, engine start stop, auto stop, auto start, hazards, media controls, tune, volume, storage below, and a nice little infotainment system with audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, come on girl, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Settings such as your Ford Pass, vehicle maintenance, audio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8253, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.